Hi everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So in this video I will discuss what is your roles and responsibility if you are working in your manual testing profile. So if you guys are working as a 4 to 5 year of experience in your manual testing profiles, and what is your roles and responsibility, right? And many people are struggling who did not work in the real time, but they are not confident because they did not work in the real time project and all, right? So this video definitely will help you guys. So what is a scratch level of the project in your testing profile. So when you will join any organization, right? So might be you are showing your experience in your healthcare domain, or project is having the e-commerce domain. So you will get the some documentation or KT about of your domain knowledge. This is the first thing. If they will not provide you KT and you are new in the domain, then request them, your team or your manager, to give the KT to that domain. Otherwise you will get more problem to understand yourself, because we don't have much time over there. As soon as possible you have to become a productive, right? So first of all, this is the one thing, your domain knowledge is very important. So every company is following the different process, right? So mostly company follow the agile process, right? So I already made the video of this, what is agile, and I will also make the another video is what is the agile in the coming session. Okay, so now what I was, yeah, so what is your roles and responsibility? So I follow the agile process. So what happened, so agile having the 2 week sprint, or sometime we having the 3 week sprint. Is depend upon your organization or your company, how your company is following all the things. Okay, so what is your roles and responsibility and what is your work? So a scrum master or your manager will assign the task, so that is the development task, right? And you having the subtask for your QA task, right? So I'm going to tell you manual testing roles and responsibility, not automation. So what happened, you have to understand the requirement. So requirement understanding, again having the different stuff. Might be you having the some documentation, you have to understand the requirement. Or what happened, you have to understand the requirement for your SME or your developer. So you have to understand the requirement. Then after that, understanding the requirement, you have to find the scenario, multiple scenario, positive, negative, and after finding the scenario you have to write the test cases. Then test cases is done. One more thing you have to do here, you have to create some data, right? While validating your test cases, we have to create a data. So that data creation is also bit why can, if you have a complicated application, and definitely this is a one challenge for you guys for data creation. Okay, so data creation is done. First, understanding the requirement. Second steps, you have to find the scenario. After finding the scenario, you have to parallelly create a data, or you can define the test cases. Everything is done. Then execution, either you are working in your UI part or API. We do the same thing for your manual testing. Everything is done. Then you having the manual execution. Then you can see, if you use the rally or anything, then you have to you have to give the status is passed or fail, or if you are getting any defect and all, right, then you have to raise the defect and you have to report to the developer. If developer work over there, then what you have to do, again you have to retest and reach out to the developer, and you have to close the defect if everything is working fine. So this is normal roles and responsibility for your manual test, guys. So what is the validation, how to validate the test cases and all, I will discuss in the coming videos. Okay, so just I have told you what is the roles and responsibility in your project, and why I made this video. Many people are struggling who did not work in the real time. So don't worry, do the you can pick any application, you can find the scenario, you can write the test case, and you can execute the test cases. Same thing you can you can work in the company if you will get the offer letter. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get the new video notification. I have made a many real time interview question and answer, like tell me about yourself, what the challenges you have faced in your real time and all. You will get all the question and answer in my playlist, so you can go through that and you can explore your knowledge. If you're having the any feedback, please reach out to me. Thank you so much.